For Mashable, I'm Lauren Goris. If West Coast's greatest rapper can appear live on stage, why not try rock stars from London? Queen guitarist Brian May revealed to BBC that, by some kind of magic, Freddie Mercury will appear on stage during a special performance of West End musical We Will Rock You. Producers have been under pressure to give the late iconic singer a presence during Queen's 10th anniversary show. So another hologrammed musician? Is this a trend? Tupac made a virtual appearance at Coachella last month and created a Twitter frenzy. Are we in for the same? Not really. The Queen guitarist stresses their Mercury illusion is not the same. The effect will be an optical illusion of sorts and not a hologram. People will come out saying, "Did we actually see Freddie?" We hope that reaction is more shock and awe rather than doubt. We've got to hand it to Dre and D-O-O-G. They set a pretty high precedent for bringing life back to late musicians. Brian May might even agree that Tupac's resurrected image kind of stole the show, but he tells the BBC their projection is tour ready. It's a little unfortunate they did that thing with Tupac, as we've been trying to make Freddie appear on the stage for quite a while. That technique is something we've looked at ourselves, but I think probably for a show that runs 8 shows a week, it's not really quite practical. In an even stranger turn of events, the man allegedly responsible for funding Freddie Mercury's return, Hollywood actor Robert De Niro. Greatest groupie ever. For Mashable, I'm Lauren Goris.